What's up, man?
How you doing? Hey, you, Justin.
Shala! 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 You guys see them cowards that come out here? See them cowards? They're listening to the live stream, following me. It's Freedom News now. We're live in Jackson, Michigan. It's been pretty quiet so far out tonight. Pretty quiet night. Yeah, so the courthouse has been closed down. The courthouse is locked we the people back out of it. Courthouse is locked we the people back out of their building here in Jackson, Michigan. Yes, they said that their cases were way up of the you know what, so they closed it back down again. No due process. What's going on down here at the sheriff department at night? Thanks for stopping in, guys. Make sure you hit that like tab, smash that like tab, smash the subscribe tab if you're new here at Freedom News Now. Ring the bell to enable all notifications so you never miss a new live stream or new video alert. Jail. Here comes some homeless people pushing their shopping cart around. Pretty few people out and about tonight. Hi.
Hey, pancakes.
Hi.
Hi, officer.
How are you? Officer? I'm not an officer.
Oh, you're not?
No, I'm just a normal person out for a walk.
You look like you're patrolling for the Jackson Police Department.
No. I go out and I just go out and do vlogs at night, walk around at night and
Oh, yeah, that's great.
do live streams. What are you out doing? Just roaming around? She don't want to talk. There's cats down here. Here's a Jackson County Sheriff timing temperature check. It's right around 9 o'clock p.m. and right around 52 degrees. Nice evening here in Jackson, Michigan. They must have a lot of cars out on patrol tonight. Not, well, they've got a few in the lot still, but sounds like they've had a few calls tonight. We could stay here and watch the Sally Port. Yeah, it's nice to come out and kind of keep an eye on things here at night and see what's going on. Seeing what's going on out here at night. Never know what could be going on. Yeah, oftentimes I think there's not too much going on in Jackson, and I go other places and as well, and there's a lot of places to go, but then it's like every time you come to, got good chances of getting good video whenever you come to Jackson. There's a lot of crime, a lot of violence, a lot of angry, hateful, hate people in Jackson. So sometimes it's just better just to come to Jackson where a lot of the idiots are at. There's a lot of idiots. Let's make it plain and simple for everyone to understand. There's a lot of idiots. There were a lot of tyrants as well, done a lot of good work, a lot of hard work, holding them accountable, maintaining transparency and accountability, and it's been working. Finally, the sheriff got the sheriff out of here. Finally got the former tyrant sheriff out of here, Sheriff Stephen Rand. He was a huge tyrant. We the people tried everything we could to get him out. But qualified immunity protected him. It was under several federal lawsuits from his own officers. Make sure you guys smash that like tab if you're just stopping in. Help defeat those pesky algorithms. That's the best thing you can do is hit the like tab. And we're down here at the courthouse. Keep an eye on things. Someone's recording me here.
Hey, McDermott, pussy boy.
What's up, man?
How you doing? Hey, fuck you, Justin.
Shala! 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 You guys see them cowards that come out here? See them cowards? They're listening to the live stream, following me. 3 of them. That's what kind of cowards they are. 3 guys. Ha ha ha. They called me out and they're like, they're cowards. 3 of them, guys. Takes 3 of them. They come out here to confront me. if any of you guys are around, wanna come down here and get my back, they love me down here. You know, now might be a good time. We got a bunch of chumps down here. Bunch of cowards. Probably more of them. There's so many cowards down here in Jackson. They love me down here. Watch, we'll catch them coming back around. We'll catch them coming back around on this side. Think we can catch them down on this side? There they are right there. Cowards. There go the cowards running back sporting goods. Back with their Proud Boys. There go the Proud Boys back to sporting goods. There they go, turning. Yep. Turning, going right back down towards sporting goods. Down there with their Oath Keeper buddies and their Proud Boy buddies, and it took 3 of them to jump into a car and come down here and confront me. Then they drove, when I turned and acknowledged them, there goes the JPD. When I turned to acknowledge them, they drove off, sped off like little cowards. Little Proud Boy cowards. I'm out here all by myself with a camera. These little cowards are hiding in their car. That's hilarious. See, why should I go anywhere else, guys? Why go anywhere else when I come down here to Jackson with all these, you know, it's packed full of Proud Boys and it's hilarious. See what's going on in here. See if I can see my picture in there. Can't see. Oh, they got a computer open. Got a computer open right here. Got a computer open and on here at night. 9:20 at night. This place has been closed down. They closed it all down.